Welcome to one of America's largest potato chip facilities. I'm Jake, and I've been making chips for 8 years. Today, you'll follow the complete journey.
Our chips begin here in the fertile soils of Idaho, where
modern harvesters can process 6 tons of potatoes per hour. Only potatoes meeting strict size and quality standards become chips.
speed matters. Potatoes must reach the factory within hours of harvest to maintain peak freshness and sugar levels.
Three-stage washing removes 99% of field soil while protecting potato integrity. We recycle and filter 85% of washing water. AI-powered optical sorting inspects 20 potatoes per second, ensuring only perfect specimens become chips. Some chips retain their natural skin for rustic appeal and added nutrients. Others are steam-peeled for classic golden appearance.
Slice thickness is critical. At 1.5 millimeters, chips achieve perfect crispness when fried. Thicker or thinner affects texture and cook time.
Slices enter the flowing water channel. Water washes away surface starch, which creates a crispier final product. It also prevents oxidation and browning.
The 3-minute frying process transforms 80% water content potato slices into chips containing just 2% moisture.
We filter and quality test our frying oil every 30 minutes. Maintaining pristine oil is crucial for consistent flavor and color.
Target, 32 to 35% fat content.
Seasoning must be applied while chips are still warm. The residual heat and oil help seasonings adhere perfectly. Creating the perfect flavor balance requires food science expertise. Each seasoning blend contains
Creating the perfect flavor balance requires food science expertise. Each seasoning blend contains 10 to 20 ingredients.
The moisture levels are good, below 2%.
And the sensory scores are high across the board.
Excellent. Batch 847 is approved for packaging.
Every batch undergoes 15 quality tests before packaging approval. We're not just making chips, we're engineering the perfect crunch.
Enormous rolls of metallized film provide a light and oxygen barrier. A cross-section shows the printed outer layer, aluminum layer, and sealant layer.
Our VFFS machines are engineering marvels, creating, filling in less than 2 seconds.
Every day, we ship to 2,000 locations: grocery stores, convenience stores, restaurants, vending machines. Precise logistics.
Accident reported ahead. Rerouting.
Sustainability isn't just good ethics, it's good business. Our zero waste initiatives save $2 million annually while protecting the environment.
These new drought-tolerant varieties require much less water.
That's exactly what we need for sustainable growth.
We've journeyed together from potato field to sealed bag. witnessing every step of chip manufacturing. From the 60